This is a Sew Curvy starter corset kit. It's been made especially with beginners in mind. Complete kit, and it includes everything you need to make this underbust corset, which has a modern hourglass shape. It comes in a resealable plastic bag so that you can keep your project together as you do it. Inside the kit, you've got 1/2 meter of plain calico. It's a medium weight calico, which is completely non-stretch. This is for making your mock-up, and it comes with tapes for the mock-up and a waist stay, which is in a contrasting colour so that you can see it through the mock-up. For making the corset, you've got your coutil fabric. Coutil comes in 3 colours: sand, white and black. It's a cotton fabric with a double twill weave. It's made especially for corsetry, and it has a nice herringbone pattern. It's completely non-stretch. It's fine but very dense, so it's especially made for corsetry. It's perfect for corsets. You also get your matching tapes, bone casing, waist stay, bias binding and corset lacing. These come in the matching colours of the fabric you choose. The tapes are completely non-stretch. They come in a herringbone weave. The laces are also non-stretch. They are flat cotton laces that are tubular for strength, and they don't stretch. Also in the kit is the hardware that you need. You have 4 flat steel bones pre-cut. This is for the centre back panels that go either side of the eyelets. 10 spiral steel bones. These flex in all directions and go across the body of the corset. Your split busk fastener. This goes at the front of the corset, and it's what you use to open and close the corset. Some spare end caps in case you need to cut the bones. And a prim 2-part eyelet kit. This contains the tool you need to pierce holes in your fabric for the eyelets and to set the eyelets in place. You will need a hammer for that, or separately you can get prim pliers. You also get your pattern. As I said, it's a modern hourglass underbust pattern. On the back of the envelope, you've got your list of materials, which are all included in the kit, and a list of suggested essential equipment. The size chart is a standard size chart. Some people are confused by the bust measurement here. That's just there as a metric. It's just a standard size chart that gives you an idea of which size to cut, but I recommend going by your natural waist size and cutting that size completely. I don't recommend adjusting the pattern before you make the mock-up, because when you make the mock-up, it will tell you itself where you need to make the adjustments, and then you can simply make them on the pattern. The pattern is multi-sized. There are 15 easy steps to follow. There are diagrams illustrating technical points, and there are handy boxes for information. There's a page for taking your own notes, which I highly recommend. There's a page for further resources that has a QR code which takes you to lots of free tutorials on corset making on the website. There are no seam allowances on the pattern because it's much easier to adjust a pattern without seam allowances. And that's the contents of the Sew Curvy Starter Sophia kit. You can see here how it all fits together. You've got the corset that's made out of coutil. Here I've used actually matching coutil to make the bone channels, but the bone channels are on every seam. You've then got your spiral steel bones in each bone channel. You've got your flat steel bones either side of the eyelets here. The lace, you've got one lace doing it all up, and this is laced through like a shoe with bunny ears at the waist, and these are what you use to pull the tension in to make the waist shape. I hope this video has given you a bit of inspiration on how to get started in corset making. The kit contains literally everything you need except the tools, and I'll do a separate video about the tools and each component in detail.